You know, them kids, they in like little 3rd, 5th grade, they can read and stuff, so they was probably going through my notes and stuff like that. This eye wig part, it just is giving me 2000s invisible part. Okay.
So thank you so much for sharing that. I don't know if any of the other moderators want to share. If y'all again give me a nice tap. Woo!
Yeah, I'm looking so crusty because, okay, hold on. Ooh, let me put on. First of all, I done left my my new badge that I went to the office. I think I left it in the car, so I need to go get it so I can actually log into my work computer. Because if not, girl, what is we doing? And I don't want. If I don't have it, I'm gonna have to go all the way back. But I think it's in my car. I think I just took it off my neck, and then it probably slid on the side of the thing. And then I'm gonna take my trash out as well. What else is happening today? I have to go to the bank today because it's one more day. I also got to go to the grocery store because I got to do a cake for Saturday. I'm actually going to deliver it. Ooh, I shouldn't be doing this on camera. I got to deliver a cake for Saturday. And then we leave. We pick up the van on the night. Is that Monday? We pick up the van on Sunday and we start driving on Sunday. So yeah, it's about to be a busy week. But first of all, I need to get my life in order because why? I want to do all my laundry today, and I do want to pack. And I have to go to the bank. My bank is not down here, like close to me. I got to go like up the way around the corner type stuff. So yeah, hopefully we get all of that accomplished. Because I was like, when I was fiddling with my jacket, I was like, I know that I had. It's in the car. It's always in the car. What else? That's pretty much it, y'all. I feel so much better today, guys. Girl, I'm gonna stop worrying. I'm gonna stop being stressed out. Like, there's no need to be stressed. I feel like a lot of stuff, it's in God's hand. Like, I'm letting God do what he gotta do because I'm in a season where I feel like I have to do so much work, and like God is telling me it just comes easy. Like, just wait. Just wait. I got you, sis. I got you, daughter. But I feel like I have to work. Like, and I'm struggling with that mindset. But literally, like, I took that bath last night. I got in my bed. When I woke up when I woke up this morning, it was already finished. So it was like, girl, you did all of that worrying and nonsense stuff because what? It didn't make sense. Make it make sense. Make it make sense. But yeah, let me go take this trash out and I'll be back. Okay. Okay, y'all. So now that I do Vlogmas every day, I try to edit in the morning or at night, like first thing before I go to bed. But last night I didn't edit, so I need to edit this vlog. And also I check my sponsorship emails to see what's going on and popping. So that's what I'm doing now. And I'm kind of hungry. I want a shake, but I don't have my oat milk, and I need to and I don't want to buy it because I'm gonna be gone for a week. And I don't want to eat it with water, so I think I might eat oatmeal this morning. I'm gonna eat oatmeal and put my my oat creamer in it. That's what I'm gonna eat this morning. That's gonna be good. But yeah, I basically check my email like once or twice a day. If I don't check it in the morning, I check it in the evening, and if I check it in the morning, I check it in the evening to see if people responded. So that's it. That's what I'm doing now. I'm about to get my day started, and probably around lunchtime I'll go to the bank and stuff and get something to eat.
A scrub is a guy that thinks he's flying this, also known as a buster. Always talking about what he wants and just sits on his broken soul. No, I don't want your number, no. I don't wanna give you mine, and no, I don't wanna meet you nowhere, no. Don't want none of your time, and no, I don't want no scrub. A scrub is the guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is the guy that can't get no love from
Y'all, I didn't even show y'all my outfit today. I just left the house. I was going to the bank, but I don't know what happened. I had stopped. I got on that phone and I done got deterred. I got on that phone and I got deterred. But hold on, let me show y'all. It ain't even nothing to look at. I just, ooh, hold on. I just want to show y'all. Ooh, cause I'm tired. But yeah, this is my outfit. Can I see what I'm looking at? My stomach is like, whoo, right now. Because I ate them pancakes and my body does not react to carbs very well. So you can see like my stomach is like bloated, honey. But it'll go down. It'll go down. I'll drink me some tea. But yeah, I ain't doing nothing, girl. I'm editing. Please watch yesterday's vlog and see my struggle with this natural hair. So as y'all can see, this eye wig is where it's kind of like you can what is it called? You don't have to have leave out. You could just leave the hair like this. But for me, my part is a little bit too big. And also, I don't know. I prefer it to look a little bit more realistic. I'm like a lace girl. But I'm still going to wear her. Because this hair quality is bomb. I'm going to link the hair down below so y'all can do as you please. They also have headband wigs, full lace wigs. Just use my coupon code ELISE2021. But this hair is amazing. The hair itself is amazing, but this eye wig part, it just is giving me 2000s invisible part. Do y'all remember back in the day when we used to do invisible part and they used to glue the tracks up there and splitting them like that? That's what it reminds me of. I'll probably go to the store later. It's throwing me off that the elevator is still broke. So I forgot to take my little bag of stuff that I had to return to Amazon, take to the Walmarts, and then go to my bank. So I'll probably do that. And my computer, it's like every time I take my computer to work, it stops working when I go home. So then I have to call the people to fix it. And then if they never fix it, we just wait forever to get it fixed. It's always has this happen. It's like as soon as I come back home from my job, my computer be acting dumb. So yeah, but y'all, we are really about to leave on Sunday. Like, we about to be out of here. Y'all gonna miss me or not? Y'all gonna miss me or not? We still gonna have daily vlogs, so it doesn't matter. But y'all, we about to be outie. I'm so excited. I am so excited. Where we're going, I hope it's gonna be super fun. But yeah, it's gonna be exciting. It's gonna be exciting. I'm tired. But that's it. I just wanted to check in with y'all. And it's around like 2:56. Okay. Okay, guys. Bye. Bye. Better. Hey y'all, so I did 2 errands just now. I returned my Amazon package and then I went to the bank. But y'all, I was in the freaking UPS store line and I stood there. Nobody helped me. The guy, he was over there doing going through the thing. So I pulled up my Amazon thing and then I looked up to him and then he was like, oh, you gotta yes, I gotta return. So then when I get up there, my phone to exit out of the little return code. So I had to pull it up and I made him wait. What are you talking about? Don't be playing with me because you saw me over there. Don't do that. That's one thing we don't do is play. Okay? That's one thing we don't do is play. And then after they do that, they want to talk. I don't have anything to say to you, sir. Scan my code. This is my receipt. Thank you. Bye. So some of them are so rude. Some people are like, it's unnecessary too. Like, you ain't had to do me like that. But since you did, you ain't get no conversation. I ain't got nothing for you. But I'm about to go to my mom's house. And I hate wearing these masks. It be so high. Girl, I be ready to die. But I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get there. And I'm eating my my Subway cookies. The raspberry cheesecake joints. Let me show y'all. Bro. Y'all boring because I come here, it's dark. Y'all ain't got no, I said it's boring because I came here, it's dark. Y'all ain't got no food. Y'all over here not doing jack. I don't know. I don't guess she's cooking nothing today. What y'all gonna eat a sandwich?
Yeah, 8, 9, going. What them kids? What them kids after school?
Yeah.
I ain't know. Oh boy.
And Cosmo eating something.
Oh, he been in there ate his food. Cause Gizzy ate up the rest of his food. Gizzy ate.
Gizmo is such an old man.
So when he ain't got nothing else in there, he go eat his own. So that's what he was doing.
Mm-hmm. Look at him. Uh-huh. Tiptoeing.
He just
Look,
walk.
he trying to come over here. You better stop
He
him.
walk. Well, he will. We had to keep letting him yesterday.
No. Well,
Back and forth.
he stopped. But Timmy got you that new cane.
Huh?
Timmy got you the new cane.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But I think, I don't know, your mama said it spins on it.
It spins.
Yeah. In a way, it is, but there's a fold-up one. It
Oh,
folds up.
a collapsible.
I don't know. I thought maybe this
Get drunk, take you.
So, y'all, do you ever like ship stuff to your parents' house and then they think you buying a lot of stuff, but basically it's like it's not. It's just like you wanted the mail to be sent there because you wasn't gonna be home. If your parents do that to you, let me know, because my mom, she definitely does that to me. So she called me today. She's like, you got a package. And I was like, okay, can you tell me who it's from? She's like, I don't know, I didn't even look at it. I said, okay, let me come over here and pick it up, because she want to be cute. Then I done left a secret notebook over there, and they probably read all the pages in my notebook. You know, them kids, they in like little 3rd, 5th grade, they can read and stuff, so they was probably going through my notes and stuff like that, and then read my little my notes. So the secrets is out. I don't know what they read, but let's open up this package, girl, out, because I was looking for it. And when I got home, I was like, what happened to my daggone little journal? Girl, they was in there having a Lifetime movie, okay? Days of Our Lives, All My Children situation. Ooh. Yeah. Oh. Did I tell them what I wanted to try? What? Okay, yeah. So we're gonna have another shapewear sponsor coming soon. Okay. And I think you all have seen them in your I guess when you watch the ads and stuff, because I seen them on my abs. So when they reached out, I was like, oh, so I was super excited to see what's going on. But girl, this is going to be a good video. And I am very super excited about it. We got some bras, honey. Yes, honey. We got bras in here. We got... So they have freaking tear-proof tights. We about to go in this video. I'm excited for this. I'm excited. They got high-waisted shaper shorts. Oh, girl, this is a whole... I knew it was from them. I knew it was from them. And then they got high-waisted shaping leggings. And then, what's this? And they got a panty. So, girl, we about to get it in. We about to get it in. We're going to film tomorrow. We're going to film tomorrow. Today, I have to pack. Everybody was getting on me. I'm going to tackle this laundry. I don't want to show y'all, but I do, because I be a little embarrassed. So, when I be filming and I do my laundry, I have them in piles. So I have them like the lights here, whites here, darks here, coloreds here, gym clothes here. So on the ground, it looks like my clothes are everywhere, but they're really just in freaking piles. And I remember I was doing Vlogmas or something. I was like, ooh, look at that. That look bad. But literally, I'm just washing clothes. And I have to wash everything, fold everything, and start putting together my freaking outfits, so I don't be in a rush. And then Saturday, if I need to get anything from the store, I can. And then we leave Sunday. Friday, we only got one more day. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then I have to bake that cake tomorrow, so I really can't be doing too much. And I need to film this video and edit. I need to finish editing this vlog and that hair video. So we got lots to do, my bees. We got lots to do. But I'm excited. This haul about to be. So make sure y'all watch it. It's going to be on my channel probably next week. So be on the lookout for that, because honey, I need new bras, and I'm really excited about the that's hair-proof tights, because honey, these nails, you know, your toenails sometimes be clipping them and stuff. I need to get my feet done. Oh, I need to go get my feet done. Maybe I can go tomorrow in the morning. If I go there in the morning, I just need to get my feet together, because where we going, honey, the toes will be out, so I need to make sure I get that taken care of. I could do them myself, but I got gel nail polish on them, and who gonna sit here and soak gel polish off their toenails? Okay, thank you. I'm gonna need them to do that for me, because they got this drill, honey, and they be drilling it down. They do a little drill, back me up situation like that. So I'm debating. But yeah, let me put these clothes away and try to semi-pack for 7 days. Is it 7 days? Oh no, I need to find an outfit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's like 8 days.